Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about that there was a hack on Atomic Wallet, and users have lost their crypto. Around 35 million worth of Bitcoin, Ether, Tether, and other tokens were lost. Then the second thing I would like to talk about, that the Google search for the word crypto is falling significantly actually in the last 2 years. Where are we right now? Let's talk about that. And there was a survey which was made by Cato Institute, and according to the survey, only 16% of Americans support CBDCs. So let's talk about these things, and yeah, okay, let's do it. And don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh videos to keep you up to date, longer videos, short videos. So if you would like to keep yourself up to date simply in crypto and blockchain, then subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. And if you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then hit the like button, highly appreciated. And now let's move on to the prices. And we can see that Bitcoin is actually down 1.7%, 26,765 US dollar. Ethereum down about 2%, about 1,867 US dollar. Then we have here the leader today is Kava, 8% up. Decentraland 7%, Sandbox about 4.5%. You know, today is the day of Apple's announcement, and because of this, these game-related, metaverse-related tokens are pumping now. And yes, look at the losers. Pepe continuing going down, 8% down just today. Sui 8% down. Woo Network about 7% down. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, this one is here. Oops, one back. So this is the weekly, and what I'm showing the weekly Bitcoin chart is of this 200-day, 200 moving average on the weekly, so on the daily, weekly, and this has become here recently support level, and it's quite important actually to stay above it, to be honest with you, because this is an important level. If we lose this, and then yeah, well, then we can see 25,000 could be here the next, and after then we can actually go all the way here, even to this. This is the weekly, and these levels were set on the daily, to be honest with you. But the reason why I'm not here on the weekly is this moving average, which I wanted to show you. So this is what we are watching, not just we, but like many others, obviously. Another thing, finally, because on Friday I did talk about the debt ceiling bill, and the last step was needed by Joe Biden to sign it, and it actually happened. Since that, I haven't made a long video, so that's why I just wanted to mention it. So now there is a green light for money printing, obviously, and they set for 2 years now. So yeah, crazy times can come, and sooner or later this will be good for crypto for sure. Right, and now let's move on to the first topic, and the first topic is about the Atomic Wallet hack. And okay, so let's talk about it, because that happened on the weekend. So people who are using Atomic wallets, just to one day to another, 1 minute to another, their crypto has been just gone. Well, Atomic Wallet said on Monday, so basically today, that less than 1% of its monthly active users were impacted in the weekend breach. The users saying a bit differently. Anyway, around $35 million worth of Bitcoin, Ether, Tether, and other tokens were lost in this hack. And you can see here others, Doge, Matic, BNB, and so on and so forth. And several users reported that their crypto was stolen after the recent software update. Why others say they were impacted despite not updating the latest version. So actually, a lot of questions, and until now there is no clear, explanation what exactly happened. So those of you having Atomic wallets, they could be now in danger. So just if you do that, then please make sure you're moving your funds, even that they're saying that it's just 1%. But if you in that 1%, that hurts quite a lot. And it looks like that the targeted large wallets, obviously they wanted to get out the most. They don't bother with the small ones. But yes, this happened on the weekend. So this is part of crypto, these kind of hacks, attacks. It's very important to using wallets where actually, hardware wallet, I think. And even when you're using hardware wallets, I wouldn't use just simply one brand, because to use them separated and have multi-sig and so on and so forth. So make it as safe as possible, because this is very unlikely that many wallets in one time will be attacked. Therefore, it's good to keep it on couple of places. Not financial advice, you do your own thing, but this is how I think. But definitely, I would prefer hardware wallets. Right. Okay. The next thing is the word crypto is less and less searched in Google, according to Google Trends. So obviously we are in the bear market, and because of this, not that many people are keen to, search for crypto projects in Google. And we can see that the word crypto falls to 2020 levels. And let's go to here. You can see it here pretty well. So in worldwide, if you're looking back in the last 5 years, we can see that here the peak was in mid-May 2021, obviously, when Bitcoin price was up quite well. Not all-time high, because after we had another all-time high in 2021 November, but the first all-time high. But some people think this was the official top of the bull market. And since that, actually, it's dying down. And look, it's now actually in very low. So this is what usually, if you are in the bear market for a long time, and we are in the bear market now for a year and a half, that actually really kills the interest. And those who are here, you, for example, probably not a newcomer in crypto, because just those who stayed here from the previous bull market are interested. The new ones, haven't arrived yet. But don't worry, when bull market is back, the trend for crypto, the search in Google will go back as well. As you can see here, when there is a bull market, that goes up. But right now we are quite low, which is actually usually a good sign when it comes to accumulate, because that means nobody cares really right now. And the best time is when you buy something when it's cheap. Not financial advice, you do your own thing. I'm not mentioning here tokens or any cryptocurrency. It's just in general terms, and then you have to figure out how you would like to invest, obviously. But this is just how I approach. Okay, and the third topic is all about that. According to a survey, only 16% of Americans support CBDCs. So CBDCs, central bank digital currency. And according to the latest survey made by Cato Institute, sorry, now better. So only 16% of Americans support CBDCs, but there are some interesting percentages here, statistics. Actually, 34 are against it, and but we have actually, the Institute noted that only 28% of surveys respondents were familiar with CBDCs. So basically, it's a lack of knowledge and education, what we have here. And, American support, 49% of Americans surveyed said they had not developed a strong opinion either way, which means they just simply cannot decide. They just don't know what it is exactly. So it's good or not, hard to say. And I think, therefore, education is very, very important. And there is not a lot about CBDCs, to be honest with you, in the news. Yes, here, in this crypto world we're living, we talk a lot about CBDCs because this is one reason why we use Bitcoin, because that is a decentralized digital currency and not a centralized one. But outside of this, crypto sphere, there's not too much talk about CBDCs. There is some, but the majority just thinks that it's a cool thing in a digital way, makes life much easier, and doesn't see the dark side of the CBDCs. What could happen depends who will have the power over that country's CBDC. Because it could be good, yes, but guess what? If the leaders just think differently, they will have a much bigger control through CBDCs on the population's wealth and how they would like them to navigate, when they want them to spend something and when they not, and so on and so forth. And it's a pretty big number. 49% actually cannot make up their mind. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain-related videos here on Blockchain Bloom. So simply subscribe if you would like to keep yourself up to date, because I'm here for 3 years now. Every single day I'm making these videos. Doesn't matter if it's a bear market, it's a bull market. And if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating, then simply just hit the like button. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.